The year is 2025, a year where the future meets the present in the most spectacular ways. Bentley, the esteemed British marque, has outdone itself once more. With a legacy of excellence, they've set a new benchmark. They've unleashed the latest iteration of their flagship Grand Tourer, the Continental GT, a car that redefines luxury and performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a bold declaration of style and substance, a symphony of power, luxury and technology, all wrapped up in a gloriously sculpted piece of automotive art, every detail meticulously crafted. Oh, and it'll cost you a pretty penny, starting at a cool $250,000, but for those who can afford it, it's worth every cent. But then again, luxury like this never came cheap, did it? Let's be clear, this isn't some warmed-over version of its predecessor, this is a ground-up reinvention, a complete overhaul that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Every curve, every crease, every stitch screams performance and luxury. It's a testament to Bentley's commitment to excellence. It's a car that demands attention, a car that commands respect. Wherever it goes, it turns heads, but it's more than just a pretty face. Beneath that sculpted hood lies a beast, an engineering marvel, an engine that roars with the fury of 1,000 suns, a powerhouse that delivers unparalleled performance. But the Continental GT isn't just about brute force, it's about finesse, a delicate balance of power and grace. It's about gliding effortlessly from one horizon to the next, cocooned in an opulent cabin that wouldn't look out of place in a five-star hotel, a sanctuary on wheels. The Continental GT is the ultimate expression of automotive indulgence, a masterpiece of design and engineering. It's a car for those who demand the very best, for those who accept no compromises. A symbol of success and sophistication. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the heart of automotive excellence. A journey that promises to be unforgettable. The Bentley Continental GT 2025 awaits. Are you ready to experience the pinnacle of luxury and performance? Now let's talk power, because, let's face it, that's what gets the blood pumping. The thrill of raw, unadulterated power at your fingertips. Underneath that sculpted hood, you've got a choice. A choice between two ferocious powerhouses. Two ferocious beasts vying for your attention, each with its own unique character and performance traits. First up, the venerable 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, a marvel of engineering and performance. This bad boy churns out a hefty 542 horsepower, propelling you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.9 seconds. It's a symphony of speed and power. But wait, there's more. Much more. For those who crave the ultimate in performance, there's the monstrous 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12, a true titan in the world of engines. This engine is an absolute monster, delivering an earth-shattering 626 horsepower and a neck-snapping 664 pound-feet of torque. It's a force to be reckoned with. 0 to 60 miles per hour, a mere 3.6 seconds. Blink, and you'll miss it. And if you find yourself on the Autobahn with enough tarmac ahead, you'll hit a top speed of 207 miles per hour. Pure exhilaration. This, my friends, is what they call effortless performance. A seamless blend of power and grace. But raw power is only half the story. There's more to this beast than just brute strength. The Continental GT comes equipped with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that's smoother than a freshly paved racetrack. It ensures every shift is seamless. It shifts with lightning-fast precision, always keeping you in the heart of the power band, ready to unleash the beast at a moment's notice. And let's not forget the all-wheel drive system, a crucial component for harnessing all that power. This ensures that all that power is put to good use, no matter the weather conditions. Rain, snow, or shine, the Continental GT is ready. It's this perfect blend of power and control that makes the Continental GT such a thrill to drive, a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. Step inside the Continental GT's cabin, and you're greeted by a level of craftsmanship and opulence that's simply breathtaking. Bentley's artisans haven't cut any corners here. Every surface is swathed in the finest leather, hand-stitched to perfection. You can choose from a variety of wood veneers, each more exquisite than the last. And the chrome accents? Well, let's just say they gleam like a diamond magnate's smile. The seats are more than just seats. They're thrones, designed to cradle you in the lap of luxury. They offer 20-way adjustability, heating, ventilation, and even a massage function. Yes, you read that right. You can get a massage while you're behind the wheel. Because why not? The rear seats are surprisingly spacious for a Grand Tourer. although your taller friends might want to call shotgun. The Continental GT might be wrapped in classic British luxury, but don't let that fool you. This car is packed to the gills with cutting-edge technology. Take the infotainment system, for example. It's controlled through a 12.3-inch touchscreen display that rises gracefully from the dashboard. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, it's all there. The Continental GT even features over-the-air software updates, so you're always running the latest and greatest software. But the tech doesn't stop there. Bentley's dynamic ride system uses active anti-roll bars to keep the car remarkably flat through corners. This means you can carve through bends with the confidence of a seasoned race car driver. And for those long journeys, the adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist systems make driving a breeze. The Continental GT isn't just a car. It's a rolling testament to the perfect marriage of luxury and technology. It's a car that stimulates the senses and pampers its occupants in equal measure. Section 5. The Grand Tourer Advantage, a symphony of power and luxury. The Bentley Continental GT 2025 embodies the very essence of a Grand Tourer. It's a car that seamlessly blends power, luxury, and elegance into one breathtaking package. This isn't a car designed for short commutes or grocery runs. It's crafted for those who seek adventure and the thrill of the open road. No, this car yearns for open roads, for sweeping mountain passes, for endless stretches of tarmac just begging to be devoured. It's a machine that thrives on the journey as much as the destination. It's a car that's equally at home cruising effortlessly on the motorway or tackling a twisty back road with surprising agility. The Continental GT adapts to your driving style, offering a dynamic experience every time. That's the beauty of the Continental GT. It's versatile, capable of transforming from a serene cruiser to a spirited sports car in an instant. It's a car of many talents. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the countryside, the Continental GT delivers an unparalleled driving experience. It can be a comfortable cruiser one minute and a sharp-handling sports car the next. The duality of its nature is what makes it so special. It all depends on your mood. The Continental GT is designed to cater to your every whim, ensuring that every drive is a pleasure. And let's not forget the sheer presence this car commands. Its striking design and powerful stance make it impossible to ignore. When you pull up to a hotel in a Continental GT, you make a statement. It's a declaration of taste, success, and sophistication. This is a car that exudes success, style, and sophistication. Every detail is meticulously crafted to offer the ultimate in luxury. But the Continental GT isn't just about showing off. It's about the experience, the joy of driving, and the thrill of the journey. It's about experiencing the very best that life has to offer. From the finest materials to the most advanced technology, every aspect of the Continental GT is designed to delight. It's about embarking on unforgettable journeys, about creating memories that will last a lifetime. The Continental GT is your perfect companion for every adventure. It's about indulging in the finer things in life. With the Bentley Continental GT, every drive is an occasion, every moment a celebration. Section 6. A glimpse of exclusivity, the price of prestige. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The Bentley Continental GT 2025 is not for the faint of heart, or for those with shallow pockets. This car is expensive, very expensive. But that's to be expected, isn't it? This is a car that's hand-built using the finest materials. It's a car that's packed with technology that would make a Silicon Valley engineer drool. And let's not forget the exclusivity factor. Owning a Continental GT is like joining an exclusive club. It's a symbol of success, of discerning taste, of having arrived. And let's be honest, you're not just paying for the car itself, you're paying for the experience. You're paying for the privilege of owning a piece of automotive history. You're paying for the envious glances from passers-by. You're paying for the sheer joy of getting behind the wheel of a car that's as special as the Continental GT. So yes, it's expensive, but some things in life are simply priceless. Section 7. A legacy of grandeur, the enduring appeal of Bentley. Bentley has a rich history of crafting some of the world's finest automobiles. From their early days on the racetrack to their current status as a symbol of luxury and performance, Bentley has always stood for something special. The Continental GT is the culmination of over a century of automotive excellence. It's a car that embodies everything that makes Bentley so special. It's a car that's both powerful and luxurious, sophisticated and sporty. It's a car that can turn heads on a crowded street or set a blistering lap time on a racetrack. The Continental GT is a testament to the fact that Bentley is still at the top of their game. They're still pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a luxury car, and they're not showing any signs of slowing down. Section 8. The Future of Grand Touring, an evolutionary masterpiece. The Bentley Continental GT 2025 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a glimpse into the future of grand touring. It's a car that seamlessly blends breathtaking performance, unparalleled luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It's a car that's both timeless and modern, classic and cutting-edge. It's a car that's sure to become an instant classic. The Continental GT is a car that's guaranteed to put a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel. It's a car that's sure to become a treasured possession for years to come. It's a car that truly embodies the spirit of grand touring. Section 9, The Ultimate Verdict, a timeless classic reimagined. So there you have it, the Bentley Continental GT 2025, a car that's as beautiful as it is powerful, as luxurious as it is technologically advanced. It's a car that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. It's a car that's truly worthy of the Bentley name. Yes, it comes with a hefty price tag. But for those who can afford it, the Continental GT is a car that's simply unmatched. It's the ultimate grand tourer. It's a car that's in a class of its own.